Hey, had to put semi-exhaust on the car. 5-inch flex pipe. I cut a tip here, but I'm gonna do something different here and clean that up. Before I had the pipe sticking basically straight up, and the fumes would go right in the passenger window. And I went testing Friday night, and man, it was hot in the car. 90 degrees outside, and then in the car it was a billion. Yeah, somewhere around in there. I didn't have a thermometer. So Friday night testing went okay. It didn't start off good at all. I mean, it was awful. The car was painfully slow. I jumped it up to 14 pounds of boost. It picked up really nice. The mile an hour is getting there. I was on these Mastercraft Avenger GTs. Not exactly a drag radial. And surprisingly, or not surprisingly, it spun once I shifted in the second gear. It spun so bad that I'd pedal it a couple times. It finally come out of it and still ran 95 mile an hour. And then they found an oil leak, which is the same oil leak was fighting before. The knock sensors in the lifter valley cover were oil pushed out of it. I don't know what that's all about. It's got new seals on it, but I'm gonna put a flat cover on it and either relocate or just totally eliminate the knock sensors. I want to relocate them. I don't want to get rid of the knock sensors because they work. It's a good tuning tool. But let's see what this thing sounds like. I haven't even started it up yet. What do you think? Let me know.